just helped someone close $3,800 in their first 8 days, and they had barely any experience with copywriting whatsoever. And it's gotten to the point where his story is not even unique anymore. In fact, it's just run of the mill. As you can see, $3K per month is not a dramatic amount of money to make whatsoever. We have so many people making $5K, $10K, $15K, $16,000, $18,000 per month, etc., etc. And in this video, I'm not only going to break down exactly how they did it, but I'm also going to show you exactly the step-by-steps for you to get started and show you the actual conversations of them closing clients in the DMs, the actual conversations that got them paid, so that you can use them for yourself as well. So look, now that all of that's out of the way, let's get straight into the value. Look, AI copywriting is a lot like Netflix when traditional copywriting is like Blockbuster. Blockbuster is focused on charging people late fees and getting people to leave their houses to go and rent movies, whereas Netflix just offers a better and more convenient and faster option, just like AI copywriters in 2025. And if you're wondering exactly what this is, what copywriting even is, essentially it is writing the marketing materials for online businesses. So they hire you so you can write their emails, sales pages, video sales letters, etc. And if you're wondering how likely it is you hit 3K per month, I mean, the evidence is just completely overwhelming. There are so many people that, like I said earlier, are making tons of money, and there's no reason why you can't quit your 9-to-5 job, do it full time, and make more money, or double the money, or triple the money like I did as your 9-to-5 job. So now that you know exactly what's possible, it's time to actually get started. So let me break you down the step-by-step and where to go to learn everything you need to know to get started. Now, the name of the game here is that money loves speed. You want to go through all these steps as quickly as possible. And the first step is mastering the copywriting fundamentals, which can be done in a weekend if you actually try. And you want to start with the 3 S's. So first of all, you want a swipe file. A swipe file is a collection of other copy that you can pull ideas from. So next time you're staring at a blank page, you don't have to just wait for an inspiration to hit you. You can just go look for inspiration inside of your swipe file. I have a free one for you down below in the Copy Starter Kit if you're interested and are looking for one so that you can save time from having to go out, look at ads, and copy and paste them into a document. Next is structures. You're going to need to know the basic structures of things like emails, sales pages, and video sales letters. You want to have a basic understanding of things like DIC, PAS, and CJN. These are all email structures, but essentially they work along any type of copy. And then finally, you are going to want to share anything that you've written with other people so that they can point out your blind spots and show you where you might be missing out on some potential with your own copy. And this is going to get you decent at copywriting as fast as possible, which is what you need in order to get clients. And no, you do not have to be a master. All you need to do is learn while you earn with copywriting. Now, if you want to learn the copywriting structures, those are all here on my channel. For example, I have a free 4-hour copywriting course, and you can just go through that, look at all of the structures that I give you, and then practice them inside that video. And if you're looking to share, actually show other people your copy so that they can critique you, then you can join the free communities in the school and the Discord, and those are also linked down below. Okay, so now you know the basics of writing copy. Now comes actually getting the clients. There's 2 main ways to get clients, but first, we're gonna start with warm outreach. Now, don't be intimidated as we go into these, because I will, again, be showing you actual conversations that students have had, that other people have, that I've had even with these business owners that have led to getting the sale. So we're gonna go over those here shortly in a second. Warm outreach is reaching out to your existing network and their existing network. And this has been responsible for so many people getting their first client like within the first couple days or within the first couple hours of them starting, which is gigantic. I mean, one of the biggest things that holds people back is the fact, well, Tyson, I don't have any client. But you can literally handle that problem within the next few hours if you actually go through these steps. First of all, you want to write a list, an exhaustive list of everybody that you know, and you want to outreach to them with a simple message saying, hey, I'm starting online digital marketing. Now, I'm not looking for a paid position or anything. I'm just looking for somewhere where I can start to learn and I can actually build my portfolio and my testimonials. Do you know anybody who might be hiring or let me do some sort of paid internship? And this is a very non-needy and low-risk way of asking your network if they know anybody who could hire you without having to spam everybody being like, hey man, please hire me. I want to make money. But next we have cold outreach, which is the action of outreaching to people that you don't know that you exist. So there's a few basic principles you're going to want to carry with you when you're doing this cold outreach. I'll give you the basics, but if you want the full complete rundown, I have a free 2-hour outreach course on this very channel that you can go watch after this one. But to give you a very, very simple example of an outreach, you might go on Instagram and find a business owner. Then what you would do is you would research that business. So go through their Instagram, go through their posts, go through their reels, and then get an actual sense of who they are, what they're selling, and what type of person that they are selling to. And then with that information, you can outreach to them. But you have to do it in a specific way. For example, you don't go to them and say, hey, I'm a copywriter, or hey, I'm a digital marketer, will you hire me? That's the last thing that you want to do because it's high risk and it's also very needy. So instead, you want to send them an innocuous message, meaning something that seems absolutely harmless. This can be something as simple as just replying to their story with something interesting or sending them over some free value that you wrote them. Now, this gives them the highest chances to respond because, of course, they want to know a little bit more about you before they even consider hiring you. So don't just ask them to hire you out of the gate. Now, I mentioned something else in there, which was sending them over value. There are lots and lots and lots of different ways to do this. You can send them over a funnel audit. You can send them over a Loom video. You can send them over emails that you wrote for them. But in short, you want to send them some sort of value so that they get the feeling of reciprocity. And now you're going to have a much better chance of actually finally getting on that sales call with them. And the best part is that you can use AI to write these emails or write this value for you so that even if you're not, again, a master copywriter, AI can still fill in the knowledge gaps. And since you're going to be sending a lot of these outreaches and a lot of free value, again, AI can help you batch create these emails so that you can get a higher chances of getting hired. Now, your goal is simply this: do a ton of outreach until you get what I call a discovery project. A discovery project is something that is for a small, little or no amount of money. For example, there are 3 different ways that you can do this, and they're called low risk offers. You can offer a work on commission, meaning you only make money if they make money from your marketing materials. A small paid project, meaning something like $300 to $600, which is like nothing to a business owner. That's like $20 bill. And then finally, a free trial period. Now, a free trial period is different from working for free because working for free just implies that you're always going to work for them for free and you'll probably never actually be able to charge them at any point. But a free trial period is something like 1 week so that they can see if there'd be a good fit to work together. Now, there's no reason why in the first 2 weeks, 3 weeks, you can't get one of these discovery projects. And then there's no reason why you can't turn that discovery project, or at least use that experience that you got there, to close another client or upgrade your current client to $2,000, $3,000, or $4,000 per month. And what's beautiful about that is because at that income level, you're able to do exactly what you want when you want. You can go to the coffee shop, you can work from there, write your emails for the day, then come home, and then you have the rest of the day completely free. Because look, at the end of the day, we only have about 4,000 weeks to live in our entire lives. So as promised, I'm actually going to read one of these conversations to you so you know a little bit about how it goes. Now, this particular conversation was actually had with a copywriter, and a business owner from the health niche actually reached out to the copywriter. So that's what can happen when you have a really good Instagram profile already created. People know what you do. They see that you are getting wins for your current clients. And then this is something that can happen and sprout from that. So this copywriter had an inbound lead and agreed on a low risk discovery project for the client, seeing the potential for future opportunities. Now they're at 4-figure projects that are lined up, meaning $1,000, multi-$1,000 projects that are lined up. This showcases the importance of a strong portfolio, having a unique style, and a well set up professional Instagram profile, which again, I have courses for on this channel that are completely free. So the conversation goes like this: hey, I just stumbled upon your portfolio and really enjoyed the emails in there. What are your rates for email marketing? Is it possible you can please send a reply to this email? And then the person says, hey, totally depends on how many emails you need or whether they're direct response or graphic e-commerce style. What are you looking for? And then he got sent a voice note. Then he says, thank you for your kind words about my work. And then later on, he says this: hey, I actually filled the remainder of the seats for that offer with that lander. Next lander, I'll get your help, meaning like landing page. Let's start with that $250 for 4 emails. If you have Venmo, let me know. So just to break it down, $250 for 4 emails is over $50 per email. I don't know about you guys, but $15 was like 4 hours of work, but actually having to leave my house and going to a construction site. And now people are able to, just as a discovery project, land an email for over $50 in a deal. I mean, there are people who are getting paid, and I've got paid over $200 just to write one email that takes around 30 to 45 minutes that you can actually just write with AI. So look, you go ahead and implement everything that I've taught you so far in this video, and there's no way that you can't make money within the next few weeks or months. Because think of it this way: at the end of the day, we only have 4,000 weeks of our lives, 4,000 weeks to live. And I don't believe that they should be spent living paycheck to paycheck, working a job that you don't like for somebody else. But I think you should spend those 4,000 weeks by working and doing what you love, working hard, getting better, and of course, getting paid for it. Now, like I mentioned, I have tons of free courses on this channel. And if you want to see all of those conversations that I've had with clients and that my students have had with clients as well to close them, then that is inside the 4D client getting archives, which is down below inside of the copy starter kit you can download for free. Anyways, guys, that's it for today. And of course, I'll see you guys on the next one.